We're prepared to provide support to students and families whether we come back or not.
Stacy Lindsay is the counseling specialist for the Salt Lake City School District.
We are expecting that there's going to be a lot of need when we come back to school.
Students and families dealing with stress, anxiety, depression, and possibly trauma.
As counselors, we're just trying to plan for whatever scenario comes up. We have essential functions of counselors, and that's to teach social emotional skills to students and also to provide support when students are having a really hard time. And we're prepared to do those functions whether we are back to school or whether we do that remotely.
She says her team of counselors and social workers in her district and across the state have been gearing up for the increased need they expect in mental health assistance, but says that parents should really start a conversation now. The Child Mind Institute suggests parents ask their kids a few key questions to open the line of communication when it comes to mental health. What was the most interesting or exciting part of your day? What was the most frustrating or boring part of your day? Is there anything you're especially looking forward to this week? Is there anything you're feeling worried about this week? Who are your friends, or who would you like to hang out with? Recognizing we're all living through unusual and stressful times.
It's a hard time for everyone, and I don't think we can get around that. As counselors, we talk about something we call it radical acceptance, and that means accepting what is and what you can't change, and at the same time trying to be gentle with yourself and with the situation, and realize that as humans, we have evolved so far because we are flexible, we're nimble, we're collaborative. We can work together to solve these problems.
Resources available include not only your child's school counselor, but also places like the Odyssey House, now working in partnership with local school districts. Or you can access therapists 24/7 on the Safe UT app.
Nothing to be fearful of or ashamed of. Like, we all need help at times. And we do have resources in our community and plenty of people who are willing and eager to help you. If you feel like you or your child is going into a crisis, definitely reach out. That's what we're here for, and we want to help.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has an entire section on their website specifically about kids and their mental health during this pandemic. They've got 24/7 help, free resources, and so much more. It's simply cdc.gov, and we'll link you on our website, fox13now.com. In Salt Lake, Amy Nay, Fox 13 News, Utah.